welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing some colors from Butterfly Dips. These can be found on Etsy at Designs by Candie. She just recently started getting into making dips. She also makes decals, nail art, and t-shirts, and she even has some true crime ones that I have my eye on. Her dips currently come in sample sizes with about 1.5 teaspoons of powder in it for about $4, and she does make all of it to order. So she included this one as a freebie. I will be using this for my next mani in the next video. This video I'll just be reviewing the ones that I did purchase. So this one and the pink one in this set have a really pretty shimmer to it. So now we're going to get into the ones that I ordered. I really do like the packaging on this. So you probably noticed that they're not filled all the way. I personally like it that way. So the first color is a midnight green. It's supposed to be this really pretty dark blue with some greenish blue shimmers to it. Then there's Eucalyptus, which is also supposed to have a shimmer to it. It's just supposed to be this really pretty green. Lagoon is just a mixture of really fine teal glitters. I love blues, so this one's already one of my favorites. So while I open up this one, she does have a Facebook group called Butterfly Dips by Designs by Candie. I will have everything linked in the description box down below if you want to check it out. Princess Slippers is a really pretty icy blue with silver glitters in it. Peacock is a dark teal base with green and blue glitters in it. Deep Jungle is another teal with a mix of green and teal flakes in it. Lemon Ice is a really pretty yellow with some glitters in it. So let's get started. I was going to use swatch sticks but decided to do it on my nails instead. I've already applied my peel base, so we're going to go in with our base coat and we're going to go in with Midnight Green. I do like how pigmented this color is. It does leave some on the skin a little bit, but it doesn't stain your skin like some of the other brands that I've tried. It does wipe off fairly easily with some rubbing alcohol. I'm going to speed the rest of this up and I'll pop back in. I do love this color. It is a little difficult to pick up the green shimmer to it. So now I'll go in with Eucalyptus. Because I was just swatching these, I didn't encapsulate them, and that could be the reason why. But after I applied my top coat, this color did darken a little bit. So now I'm going in with Lemon Ice. I'm actually really excited for this one. I think it's the perfect spring color. So I'm not the kind of person to willingly pick out yellow, but I saw this one and I went for it. And I'm so glad I did because this yellow is so pretty. Next up is Lagoon. Glitter dips are my absolute favorite. I have to force myself to buy solid colors. This glitter is actually applying really nicely. Next up is Peacock. I also like how this one applies. The glitters in it lay down really nicely. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in and activate all of my nails. So because I didn't encapsulate any of my nails, I am going to be very careful when I file here. I'm mostly just going to pay attention to the sides. I honestly don't really have any work to do on tops. All of these colors laid down very flat, even the glitters. I'm going to finish with my gel top coat and cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. So this is how they look after top coat. This one's really pretty in person, still hard to see on camera. I have to encapsulate my first two nails next time, see if that makes a difference in the color. The glitters ended up being my favorite. I have two colors left to swatch. I went ahead and popped off those other ones, and I'm going to apply some more peel base just to the two nails I'll be using. This one is Deep Jungle. It's another teal with green and teal flakes in it. If you can't tell by now, I really like blue. The coverage on every single one of these dips has been amazing. Our final color is Princess Slippers. I'm so excited for this one. It reminds me of Cinderella, and that happens to be my all-time favorite princess movie. I have a mani planned in the next month or so, and this color is going to be perfect. Like seriously, just look at this color. I am so obsessed with it. Now it's time to activate those two, and we will move into filing. So I did encapsulate these two off camera. It was a last minute decision. I just wanted to see how much of a difference it made. So when I do file, I will go over the tops this time. We'll finish it with the gel top coat again and cure for 60 seconds. So overall, I am very happy with all of the dips that I purchased. You guys should definitely check out her Etsy, see if you see something there that you like. I will have everything linked down below, including her Etsy, the Facebook group, the colors I used, like all that stuff. I'm so glad I saved these two for last because they are my absolute new favorites. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.